All right, let's look at number 27 from page 301. It's set up a little different than others, but it asks us to solve the differential equation. That means find what y is. So we'll integrate both sides, move the dx to the other side. So y equals, but then the other side is what we're worried about. Actually, I know what the integral of 4x is. That would be x squared over 2, so 2x squared. It's the second part that I'm a little bit worried about. So that was one trick to this one, is that there's two separate integrals we need to do. But the first one is easy. That doesn't, or should be easy. That doesn't require any u substitution. That's just the power rule. The second one requires the u substitution. I've got to figure out what a good thing for u to be. So thoughts? 16 minus x squared. And then du is negative 2x dx. So I'm close. I mean, I'm great on the bottom. That's perfect. I want this to be negative 2x. So let's multiply by negative 1/2. And then a negative 2 out front. So now all of this is du. Got a negative 2 out front. And this is in the bottom, so it's a negative exponent, u to the negative 1/2. And again, this is supposed to be a relatively easy one now. Once you do the u substitution, you change it to something crazy, to something that's supposed to be relatively easy. So increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. So be careful, there's a negative 2 that was already there, and then that 2 is when we divided by 1/2. Plus c. By the way, somewhat common mistake, you do all the hard stuff and forget that 4x squared is still out there. Excuse me, 2x squared. So 2x squared minus 4 times, I'm going to go ahead and put it as a square root, because that's probably what a multiple choice or back of book answer would look like, plus c. So a lot of stuff in that one. Had to integrate both sides to get rid of dy dx. Part of our integral we could do without any u substitution, and part required us to be careful about what we pick for u. Other questions from 301? Okay.